So I'm using ChatGPT to write a biography, or at least parts of it to ideate, to explore. And so just know that this is a fairly long conversation. I'm not going to scroll it up. What I am going to show you is a cool trick. So I just said, can you create, now I'm passing this to the MJ prompt generator V6. I have had really good luck with it, so props to the developer. Can you create a mid-journey prompt as pencil sketched images of what's described in the 12 items? The 12 items that I'm talking about was just me saying, I want you to review this entire conversation and build me a dozen scenes that could be pencil drawn for this biography. And so it talked about farm in Northeast Ohio, the accident, hospitalization, rehab, school life, dealing with my dad. So you can see there's a bunch of stuff here. And so it provided all of that. Now I'm just passing to this and saying, hey, can you just give me those prompts? And what's nice about this prompt, it leaves it in code. So you can just say copy code. And if this is going to Midjourney, which it was, you can see it already has all of that there. So you paste in and it applies. So you can see the multiple prompts. So this video will be cut together with the actual images that you see here, or some of them.